Have you ever heard of baccalà? Baccalà is salted cod. It's been preserved in salt to keep its consistency. Have a look at that. This has been in water for about three and a half days. So I want to share with you my family's recipe. So go on to my YouTube channel and watch me make my family's recipe of baccalà, agiotta, which is stewed baccalà with potatoes. I remember my mum and my nonna cooking this, and they would tell me stories about their homeland and how their mother cooked it, because my mum was here with her mother-in-law. So watch me make how to make my family's recipe, how to make baccalà